questions that I'm asked pretty frequently is, how do I go about finding a niche if I'm not passionate about anything, if I don't have any hobbies, if I live a pretty boring lifestyle? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you could find the perfect niche that gets high traffic and low competition in 3 prompts or less using Chatgpt. We're going to then verify our theory, and I'm going to show you how you could find unlimited keywords. So watch this video if you struggle to find a niche. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, everyone asks, how do I find a niche? I can't find a niche. The number one thing holding me back from being successful online is simply finding a niche. Now that we have Chatgpt, finding a niche is easier than ever. We can use Chatgpt to help us find a niche. We can use other software and websites to help us verify how much money that niche is bringing in. And then we can also find affiliate opportunities. And like I said, we're going to use 3 prompts or less. So the first thing that we want to do, if you take a look at my screen, we're going to tell Chatgpt to act as an expert in internet marketing. Now, this is a pretty general term that is a catch-all for everything, but we want to tell Chatgpt what to do. We want to calibrate it a little bit so that it has a firm understanding of its expectations. It's going to think like an expert in internet marketing. And then we're going to simply say, help us find a niche that gets high search but low competition so that we can create content. All right, so as you can see, I said, act as an expert in internet marketing, list 20 niche ideas that generates high search traffic every month but has low competition. Do not include seasonal niches, list 5 keywords for each niche. And we're simply going to hit enter, and Chatgpt is going to give us a few opportunities. What we're going to do next is we are simply going to verify these ideas by putting them into Google. We're going to put them into a keyword research tool, and this can help us really weed out and find a really, really good low competition, high search volume niche that we could create content. So if we look at this, one of them, the top one says indoor plant care, smart home security, sustainable fashion, digital marketing for small business, urban gardening, mental health in the workspace. All right, so what we could do is, now that we have our 20 niche ideas, we can take this first one, for example, indoor plant care, and we can dive a little bit deeper. Now, I like to use a paid keyword research tool because it makes it a little bit easier, a little bit quicker. You can do this for free, but it's going to take you substantially longer to get the results that we're looking for in a timely manner. And so if we're going to talk about indoor plant care, the next step is to ask Chatgpt to tell us more about the indoor plant care. We're going to ask for monetization opportunities, and we are going to ask it to list 20 keywords. All right, so while that's working, we can actually take our keyword here and we can paste it right into our paid keyword research tool. We can see that the term itself is relatively difficult to rank for a new blog or website. If we go to matching terms, you can see that people are talking about jade plant care indoor. If we click on this, you can see that small websites are ranking for this. And what I mean by small websites are websites that have a pretty low domain rating. And what I consider a low domain rating is if they have a domain rating of 25 or less. So 1 through 25 is a small website. 25 to 35 or 45 is a medium website, and 45 and up is a pretty large website. For example, the Spruce is a 90, YouTube is like a 99, but this website, I see 5 websites here that rank at the bottom, and they have a really small website. So we could just click on one of these, for example, and then this is going to give us an idea for more keywords, okay? So we can copy the URL of the entire website, copy link address, and then we can put it into our site explorer just like this, paste this in, hit enter, and then we can see that this website ranks for 1.3 thousand keywords. We click on this, and this is going to give us even more. Whoops, this website ranks for 2.2 thousand keywords. It gets about 1.3 thousand visitors every single month. If we click on these keywords, this gives us even more opportunities. So they're talking a lot about jade plants. That could be our opportunity to create content. But you can see some of these searches this skein of yarn, it gets 3.7 thousand searches per month. And so this could be an opportunity to write on stuff. But you can see here that there is lots of opportunity for small websites. And what we could even do too is come down to, okay, we looked at this one. We can also go down and look at this one. And again, this is probably a really small website. We can copy the URL of the entire website, copy link address, and hopefully you're able to see that you can start getting literally unlimited keywords just from Chatgpt essentially. So we paste this in like this. Now that we have found more keywords, we can simply just repeat this process. Click on jade plant light requirements, scroll down, take a look for small websites. This website looks like it's a small website. Then we simply will click on this website, we'll take a look at it, and then we can just repeat the process and we can seemingly find unlimited keywords all from Chatgpt. Now, the best part about this is we can keep doing this until we have 1 million keywords if we want to. This is how you could go about finding a 10K per month niche in just a couple of prompts. But then if we scroll down here, if we go back over to Chatgpt, you can see it actually has even more keywords as we asked, but it also talks about different monetization opportunities. You can see with affiliate marketing, we could promote indoor plant-related products like pots, soil, fertilizer, and gardening tools. We can sell indoor plants. That's what this website is doing. That's what one of these websites is doing. Sponsored content, so people could pay us to write blog posts or place ads, ad revenue as it says, digital products. So we could create and sell digital products like ebooks, printables, online courses, coaching and consulting. So we could work one-on-one with people to help them launch an indoor garden. But this is the power of ChatGPT in 2023. We can ask it a very general question and it can give us basically everything that we need to get up and running. And then, platforms to create content. And then we could just verify this by taking our keyword or one of the keywords and plugging it into the different outlets, different places to create content, and we can verify that this works. For example, jade plant care indoor, we can copy this and we can put it right into YouTube like this. We're going to paste it in, and then we can take a look at the competition. You can see here 27,000 views, 2.1 thousand subscribers. So this is a great view to subscriber ratio. In fact, if you're looking at this, 344,000 views, 72,000 views, 220,000 views, only 6.3 thousand subscribers. These are all really good view to subscriber ratios, and you just basically create content. So we see that you could do this with blog. You could see that you can do this with a YouTube channel. We could go over to TikTok and we can search for jade plant care indoor like this. And you can see that 73,000 views, 24,000 views, 64,000 views, all talking about a jade plant. So, ChatGPT gives us basically everything that we need to get up and running. So what you would want to do is start creating content based on these keywords, identify where you want to create content, then create content based on those keywords. Once you have that, you can look at these different monetization opportunities, and you could potentially start making money online if you are consistent and persistent. Now, what I always like to make sure everybody understands is that it may not feel like it's working right away. You may create a piece of content and get 5 views. That's how my YouTube channel started. You have to continue to create content until you get to the level of success that you want. The level of success that you want may take 6 months. It may take 6 years, but if you are consistent and persistent, you can get to the level that you want. That's really all it takes to make money online. You identify one niche, you identify the questions, comments, and concerns that people are asking within that niche. You create content to solve that problem. For example, people are asking about how to care for a jade plant. You create content to answer that question. And then one of the ways to care for a jade plant could be a certain type of potting soil, a special mix. And then you go out and become an affiliate for that special mix. You put that affiliate link in the description of your content, whether it's a blog or a YouTube channel. People click on that link and buy. That's how you would make money online. You could actually also create a course on how to grow a jade plant to 6 feet tall if that's something that you're interested in doing. People that are searching for jade plant care, there's going to be a segment of the population that will buy a course. So that's really how you make money online. You identify one problem, and we use Chatgpt. You create content to solve that problem. And then you look at different monetization opportunities. One of the ways to care for a jade plant might be to transfer it every 3 to 6 months. Then you recommend the different pots. You recommend maybe a watering irrigation type of thing, and you recommend a little hand shovel. People are going to buy that because you are solving a problem. Affiliate marketing, making money online, really is that simple. It's all about consistency and persistence. If you can do those two things, you can be successful online. Now that you know how to use Chatgpt to find low competition, high search volume niches, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.